Here. 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 How about here? There? Okay.
Hey, Stinky. I'm about to get in bed. I'm coming. Okay. Can I take my shoes off? Is that fine with you? Making biscuits? Yeah?
This cat seems to be opening the window to get outside. So incredibly smart. Truly the key master of the family.
No cups, buddy. It's not dinner time. No cups, buddy. No snack.
Ayang. Ayang mau ke siapa? Mau ke mama? Mamanya di mana? Mamanya di mana?
This cat seems proud of its green, clean, and beautiful toilet habits. Truly a model citizen.
You want to go to bed now?
It's not food time yet.
When you argue with your cat about dinner time and he acts like he's the boss.
Be nice. I hear you. I hear you. And that's not my problem. It's not about to be my problem either. No, don't talk over me. Not cool, Gerb. No.
This cat has truly trained its human well. Just come to the door and the human knows to lay out the mat for it.
Having a cat at home means you've officially lost all your personal space.
Abre, abre, abre. Tú puedes, mi amor, abre. Sí, tú puedes. Sí, amor.
Merv, your bath is ready. Merv, you're stinky. It's been weeks. Smell your toe beans.
Cats always have a hidden spot to stash their things, and you'll never figure out where it is.
Oh wait.
The kitten is very happy when its mother comes home.
Like clockwork. Seriously, what? Get over here.
It feels like talking to a wall or something like that. Probably better not argue with Dad.
Let it cool down. I know. Let it cool down. There goes the whole gang.
Snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake.
Kona, why are you turning away from me? You don't know?
What did you hear? Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.
It's not tuna. No. Not every can that gets opened is tuna. Stop yelling at me. It's not tuna. It's corn and beans. It's not tuna. It's corn and beans. Is that what you want?
Curled up on the owner, nuzzling non-stop with happy purrs. This is the very definition of peace and love.
Hello.
Stop working and play with me. How could anyone resist those big pleading eyes and gentle head nuzzles? Absolutely melting.
I don't know if he's having a seizure or just shaking from fear.
What's wrong? I don't think she's outside, TJ. Teach. She's not there. Okay, let me see. I understand. I don't see her. Oh, calm down.
Would you like some more dinner? What? You don't want your sprouts? Why? Why don't you like sprouts? No? What, do you want me to eat your sprouts? Yes, I'll eat your sprouts then. There's your dinner.
Wow. Yeah. Good job. Did you bring your mouth up because of your other toys here? Yeah, good job.
Come here. Come here. You mad at me? Fifi. Let me see your face. Let me see your face. Come here.
Who's the meanest kitty of all? Why are you so mean?
Being a little mean is just part of who they are. It's in their nature.
You be a nice kitty. Why you gotta be like that?
Okay, Freddie, I have something to tell you. So, I've never told you my name, and my name is Shiva. Did you know that?
Блин, слышишь, как ищи? На ушки одела. Одела ушки так голову. Он прям вообще Боня.
Billy, what's today? What's today? Is your birthday? What do you want? Yeah? Okay. Your catnip cake.
Hi, do you want to go play in the snow? Yeah? Do you have a snowsuit? You do? What color is it? Yellow. Okay. Yeah, you like yellow, don't you? You do. All right.
Here's my strutting, doop-de-doop. Strutting my way on over to you. You like my strut? I like yours too. Strutting my way on over to you. Seems like these days got nothing to do. Hit the sidewalk and strut with you. Strutting in the morning, strutting the noon. Strutting in the nighttime under the moon. Hey you, I like you too.
Say hi to everybody. Hello.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, a picture-perfect hello! The owner must have been so surprised.
I've been trying to scratch that spot for weeks.
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. Cause
Annie, guess what? Chicken butt. Guess what happened at work today? You don't care.
Gonna miss you. Yes.
Cats miss you just as much as you miss them. So chatting after coming home would be perfect.
Titi!